Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Now, Newcraftday, their customer service is exceptional, their shipping is very fast, and their products are just amazing. Newcraftday's got a very good Facebook page. My Stitchy family, go and have a look. They post all the unboxings, the pictures of all the other creators on their Facebook page if you want to see more products. Very efficient. Now, they don't only sell what we like cross stitch. They do the embroidery series now, and that is fabulous. They do cross stitch, like you know, the beaded cross stitch, and the newest 9-count cross stitch. They also do diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and they do all the tools and accessories that goes with that. They also customize those products. But that's not all. They do tattoo stickers, epoxy molds, 5-paint seal series. They even do the scrapbook series. Just go and have a look. There's something for everyone. Now, if you buy from Newcraftday for over $59, you get free shipping. And that's not all. If you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, which is RELA10 for an extra 10% off. They also still have the buy 5 get 1 free, so you add 6 to your cart to get the 1 free, and the more you add, the more you get free. So that sounds amazing, and it is amazing. Go and have a look. They load new products very often. Now, what I'm going to show you today, I will leave in the description box with the codes for everything you need for your convenience. Now, let's have a look what we've got here today. We're doing embroidery. So look at that strawberries. Don't they just look delicious? Yes, they do. Okay, so let's have a look. Now, let's start at the hoop. We get with these embroidery kits a nice, beautiful hoop. And I like the plastic hoops. They've got that little ridge, and it fits into there's a ridge. Look at that. And they fit into this one. So what happens with the plastic ones? They pull your stitch much tighter and it stays tight. They don't slip like the bamboo ones. So I love the person who invented this. This is amazing. The pattern. So with these embroidery kits, beautiful picture. And then all the stitches you need for this will be explained on your pattern as well. I have gone through most of the stitches with you. So if you practice, it makes perfect. Straight, long and short stitch, outline stitch, French knot, satin stitch, leaf stitch. I have actually done all these stitches with you, so you should not have a problem doing this. Now on this pattern, I've got another co-host, and it's Lola. They tell you how many strands or thread you need with every stitch, so it's very easy to follow instructions. Yeah, let me see. Ooh, this is pretty. Now with this you get a toolkit, you get 2 embroidery needles, a seam ripper, and a needle threader. That is all you need, you see? There you go. I'm not packing it away. I need to take pictures, people. And then here's our 7 colors. Beautiful. It's all you need. Very pretty. I think it's amazing. Now, you get your cloth. And this one is like a I don't know what color, the peachy, pinky color cloth with the pattern already printed on. Remember, this print does wash out. Amazing, right? My lights don't play nice today. they do tend to brighten everything out. I don't know what I'm doing. But it is beautiful. I absolutely love this. Alright, so while I pack away, look at that one. Don't you think that's going to come out nice? Now while I open it, I want to ask, if it's the first time watching my videos, please subscribe. If you would be so kind, please. It helps me out a lot. It's for free and you motivate me to make more videos for you. Also, leave a comment in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. Alright, once again the hoop that I explained. Beautiful, I love these hoops. Let's have a look. Now this is a Christmas scene, beautiful picture, houses people for the Christmas and Christmas trees. You guys know I love Christmas. And on the back is the stitches we need so far, and they tell you how to divide your thread. You guys know how to do that. We've done satin stitch, long and short, French knot, back stitch and straight stitch. We've done them all, so everyone can do this one. Now on the pattern they also show you how many strands you need, what color you need. Very easy instructions to follow. You cannot go wrong here. If you struggle, give me a message or a ring. If you've got my number, I will help you. Alright, so let's have a look here. Very pretty. So once again, we got two beautiful, strong embroidery needles with the bigger head, so you can fit in all the thread, and a needle threader and a seam ripper. Very, very pretty indeed. I absolutely adore this. Of course, your needles come in a little test tube thingy. Very nice. I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright, so let's have a look at the colors. This one's got a lot. This one's got 20 colors. That is a lot of colors for embroidery. It's going to look fantastic for this type of embroidery, must I say. Look at that. Amazing, right? Very, very cute. I love it. Oh, they're beautiful, right? Very nice. I adore them. Alright, let me just get all my stuff together before I show you this. Okay, so here we go. There's the whole pattern. Nice white cloth. And then, of course, you must remember it does wash out. Nice, right? I adore these. I absolutely adore them. They've got a wide variety. Oh, I almost said variety. Me and my Afrikaans brain, right? Directly translating. So they got a wide variety of these embroideries. I will give you the links to the ones I showed you, but go and have a look for yourself. I promise you there is so many to choose from. They're really, really, really amazing. Now I just want to thank Newcraftday. These products are superb. Thank you so, so much. I love it. Then to you, my Stitchy family, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I love you guys. Till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.